I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins with the closing market minute for Tuesday, April 22nd. Soybeans did end the session modestly higher. Now both meal and oil came off their highs, closing modestly lower, but soybeans were able to find some support on the technical side of things, along with a higher move in crude oil during the session. The trade continues to watch early U.S. planting activity and harvest activity at the various stages in Argentina and Brazil. Corn closed modestly lower, seeing a little bit of pressure from the higher trade in the U.S. dollar index, along with the week-to-week advance in U.S. planting, now at 12% complete as of Sunday, and emergence is in line with the 5-year average. Near-term forecasts for planting in much of the Midwest and Plains look generally favorable, even if there are going to be some planting delays in some areas during the course of the week. And wheat closed modestly lower, also coming under pressure from the higher trade in the U.S. dollar index during the session. The USDA's winter wheat crop condition rating dipped over the week, but there is some rain in the forecast for some of the drier parts of the southern U.S. plains. Spring planting is ahead of average for wheat. Live and feeder cattle closed higher, supported by the higher midday move in box beef and a rally in the Dow Jones Industrial Average, as traders waited for this week's direct cash cattle business to get defined. They're going to be waiting at least another day, with bids and asking prices still unreported as of the end of the session on Tuesday. And hogs closed higher, with cash business steady to higher during the session and the pork carcass cutout value firm at midday. With the closing market minute for Tuesday, April 22nd, I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins.